Good morning everyone. Today I will explain the concept of Lagrange's mean value theorem. In brief, I am writing this one as LMVT, which is continuation of mean value theorems. The first one was Rolle's theorem. Concept of Rolle's theorem we already got. Here in Lagrange's mean value theorem, we take a function fx which is continuous in the closed interval AB. Number 1, fx is differentiable in the open interval AB. Then the theorem states that there exists C between A and B, where f dash C going to be fb minus fa by b minus a. Okay, so geometrically we can consider this manner. Continuity, as you know, if a function continuous between 2 points, I am taking the points this manner. Say points are A and B. Okay, and the function is differentiable also between those 2 points A and B. This point is A, this one B, then there is a point C in between A and B, where the tangent will be parallel to the chord joining A and B. Okay, so the graph of the function, if it is taken as y equal to fx, it is continuous between 2 points A and B, it is differentiable over there, then there is a point C in between A and B, where, because the thing is that here the point A we have taken, whose coordinate is A comma fa, the point B we have taken, whose coordinate is B comma fb. So slope of AB is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line joining 2 points A and B. The slope of the curve, the slope of the segment AB is like this. Slope of the segment AB and the slope of tangent at the point C, if they are equal, then the situation will arise like this. This tangent drawn at the point C parallel to the chord joining A and B. So geometrically, the Lagrange's mean value theorem states that if the graph of a function can be drawn between 2 given points A and B without using the pen or pencil, and graph has no kink in between, then there exists at least one point. Here I have explained with 1 point only, but the actual statement is there exists at least 1 point where the tangent will be parallel to x-axis. Tangent will be parallel to the chord joining 2 given points. If I draw this situation, then in between these 2 points where you have considered the continuity of the function, then there exists how many points? Let us see. This point I am taking, this is y-axis, this is the point A, this is the point B. Here the graph is continuous and there is no kink. All of you can see that. If I join these two, then there exists at least 1 point I told you in the previous problem. Here I am showing you there exist 3 points where the tangent drawn, this tangent, and this tangent will be parallel to the chord joining points A and B. So you have to investigate whether such points exist or not. I am taking the points as C1, C2 and C3. Okay. So at C1, C2 and C3 the tangents are parallel to the chord joining the points A and B. Let us take one example where this can be verified. I am taking the function without drawing the graph. Let us approach the function first. Let the function be fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. They asked you to verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function fx in the interval 0, 2. We are going to verify. Okay. We'll be doing some here. Now your statement will be like this: being a polynomial function, it is continuous everywhere, but you need to write it in your paper. The function fx is continuous in 0, 2, differentiable in 0, 2, so there exists C in the interval 0, 2 such that f dash C going to be f2 minus f0 by 2 minus 0. So f dash C, all of you can calculate. What is the value of f dash C here? You can see fx is x square minus 3x plus 2. So f dash x is 2x minus 3. F dash C going to be what? It is 2c minus 3 equal to f2. f2 is what? f2 is 4 plus 2 minus 6, 0. And f0 is 2. That divided by 2 minus 0. So minus 1, and this is giving us C is equal to 1. Since 1 belongs to the interval given, so this implies that 1 belongs to the interval 0, 2. So your conclusion will be like this: LMVT is verified. Okay. So I remind you the steps again before we go to the next page, that if a function is continuous between two given points, if it is differentiable, then there will exist at least one point where tangent will be parallel to the chord joining two points. I will suggest you to verify with one more problem. Let us take fx equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 3 on 0, 1. Let us verify LMVT for this function on the interval 0, 1. So what I am going to do here, again I have to write all the statements that it is a polynomial function. So fx is number 1 continuous in 0, 1. Number 2, it is differentiable in the open interval 0, 1. And here I just find the value of f0. What is f0 there? 3, all of you can see. What is f1 there? F1 is 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1. So by LMBT there exists C between 0 and 1. I am writing in the form of interval such that f dash C equal to f1 minus f0 by 1 minus 0. Okay, let us find f dash C here. F dash C going to be 3c square 4c minus 1, and f1 is what? 1. So this implies that 3c square minus 4c minus 1 so if you factorize it, is going to be minus 1. So this implies this will be minus c only. This will be 3c minus 1 now check whether any point, any value of c you are getting that point lying in the interval or not, then it is verified. All of you can see that point 1, 3 belong to the interval given. What is the interval? 0 to 1. So since 1, 3 lies in the interval given, so Rolle's theorem will be verified. Okay. Now let us try to solve it for another one. I am showing you another example here. Just a minute. Just take another example. Number 3. Number 3 you take fx equal to x minus 1 whole square in the interval 1, 2. Why I have asked similar kind of question here, that let me explain. Because for this, all of you can see that this function is a parabola only, fx equal to x minus 1 whole square. For this parabola, when we are asked to find a point, this question may be asked this manner also. Find a point in 1, 2 where the tangent is parallel to the chord joining x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So here the question will be similar only. Just check the conditions. It is continuous over there, it is differentiable over there. So there exists a point where f dash c will be f2 minus f1 by 2 minus 1. What is f dash c here? 2 into c minus 1 F2, all of you can see that it is 1 and F1 is 0 by 1. So this implies 2C is equal to 3. Since 3 by 2 belongs to 1, 2, this is open interval, so LMBT is verified. And the required point going to be, you put x equal to 3 by 2 over there, 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Okay. So both the questions are answered here. You found a point as well as you find the value of C in between 1 and 2 where it is verified. At the same time, you got a point where tangent drawn will be parallel to the chord joining the points 1 and 2. Okay. Thank you.